Hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial video. Inside this video we will learn URL session. Okay, let's get started. URL session is a library for get some HTTP requests, post, delete and puts. We are gonna use URL session inside our application for get some data from API. And this is a really basic and simple example for how to use URL session inside your project. We have just one class actually. Everything is going to be happen in here. And as you can see, right side of Xcode, our project is ready. And we have a one title, we have a one post title, and this post title coming from API, and also we have one post content and also this post content coming from API. Okay, let's close our emulator and focusing on the code. As you can see, we have a post struct in here. We have some variables inside that post. We will parse what we are gonna take from our API as a JSON format. We will convert that format to our post struct. We have ID, title, body and user ID, as you can see in here. And inside the API view model, it is a inherit from observable object, because we will observe that API view model for access inside some published variables. And inside the view model, as you can see, we have three variables. Post variable type will be post and is loading for loading animation, and default value, as you can see, false. And we have a one error message type string. And inside our view model, we have also a function fetch post. And as you can see, this two when we look to this fetch post function, our is loading parameter will be true and error message will be nil for now. And we have a one URL. We are taking our URL to URL class. And of course, we have a one condition, quartlet condition. If it is null, we are putting some values inside our error message invalid URL, and also is loading will be false. And this is the most part of this is the most important part of this video. Inside that URL block, as you can see, I am selecting the main things of this video. Actually, we are using the URL session data task for get that URL for get HTTP request, and this method provide us a third, as you can see, data response and error. And is loading will be false because our API request is success. And if is there any error message in here, as you can see, we are putting that error message inside our error message variables. And we are checking our data. If it is our data equals to nil, we are going to show to user that error message in here. And do catch, inside the do catch blocks, we are decoding actually our JSON values, JSON response to our post class, as you can see in here, from data. And yes, of course, that resume for asynchronous programming. And inside our content view, as you can see, we have one parameter view model, and it is a state object. Inside body, we have one navigation view. We are checking our view model is loading parameter. If it is loading, we are showing a progress view. as you can see, and it is false. We model is loading parameter equals to false, not is loading false. We are checking our error message in here. If it is it has some value, as you can see, we are showing to user a error message and also one button, try again button. When the user click that try again button, application call our vModel fetch post function as well. And also we are checking our post. If our post has some values inside, we are showing that value inside our UI. As you can see, we have one vertical stack text and also one text in here, and some customization for UI, padding, frame, background, corner radius, and we are showing to our title in here. Let's delete the title and let's show the, for example, ID, and open our yes, as you can see, we can change our parameter as well, as you can see in here. And we have a one else block in here. No data yet. As you can see, we have one function, and we are calling to our fetch product function inside the on appear. That means this function will work when the user see our screen. And yes, that's it actually for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.